Welcome to my channel, everybody, viewers. Okay, to this class, this is the discussion about the integration and particular chapter, that is the integration by parts. Today I will discuss the method of u into v, that is known as the integration by parts, and I will discuss the rules for when u into v, that is u will be as represented as the first function and pv as the second function. Now we have to discuss the first formula of u into v. Okay, see the method of formula discussion first of all. Okay, let us u and v be the two functions, and this is u into v and here is dx. And the formula for u into v of integration by parts, if let us assume u is the first function and there was a method when x into log x tan inverse into x, when we will use as x is the first function and log x is the first function. Okay, now let us first of all discuss the formula here. This is u into v dx minus, and if we let us assume as a u here, so in the second part of integral there is a derivative of u here. Okay, this is the formula, and integration v dx here. Okay, v dx, and this is whole bracket, this is in the first bracket, and dx, this is the formula. Okay, now here I want to discuss the formula, that is ddx of uw, where u and w be the two functions which are the function of x alone. Okay, now differentiate this u into dw dx plus w into ddx of u here. Okay, and now d of uw here, and that is u into dw dx plus w into du dx and dx here, and then integrate both sides. Okay, so we get here that is uw, and that is integration of u into dw dx and multiply by dx here. Okay, this is dx, and this is the method of formula. How can we get the formula here? Okay, now this is w du dx and into dx here. Okay, now again we represent this as on the left hand side here, u into this is dw dx and dx, and that is equal to transfer to the other side, that is uw and minus w into, no, this is represent first, this is du dx and w here, and that is dx here. Okay, now see the here is v, so that's why we let us assume as a v. Let v, that is the derivative of w here. Okay, if we integrate like the dw is equal to v dx, then we get integrate this, and that is equal to w here, but this is v dx. Okay, so from this relation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, that is here u into, this is let us assume as a v. Okay, and this is dx here, and now see here u, see this is w, so we substitute here this figure. Okay, this is w, this is v dx, this is w here. Now minus, this is integral, and here is dw dx, sorry, du dx, and this is du dx means this is du dx, okay. This is represented here as u, so du dx, this is the derivative of u here, and this is the w here. We substitute here as the integral v dx. This is the integral v dx and bracket close, and this is dx. So we get the formula u into v. Okay. Now I want to a word that is liate, and that formation you should learn here. This is liate, L-I-A-T-E. When the letter first come, then we take as a u there, okay, and L are represented as a log. This is represented as a log, okay. This is represented as a log, L-O-G, log function. I is called the inverse. This is inverse, I-N-V. A for algebra, A-L-G. T for trigonometry. This is represented as a trigonometry, okay. E for exponential, okay. This is exponential. So liate, this word learn as a liate, L-I-A-T-E. Like that, I mean to say, like that, when the letters come first, then we take that function as a first function. I mean to say, like here, if we represent x into log x, okay, and dx. See, this is called the algebra function, and this is called the logarithm function. In that case, algebra and log, when a or l are come in this arrangement, there are a or l. L here come first. L here come first. So we take L means logarithm as a first function. So see here, this is again I repeat here algebra and logarithm, A or L, algebra and logarithm. See in this word which letter A or L come first, L here come first. So that's why U as a represent logarithm of x. So integral x log x. So this is as a u, this is as a u, and this is as a v. So log log x dx minus, and this is the differentiation. This is the differentiation of logarithm of x. That is 1 by x. And again integral x dx bracket close, and this is dx. So this is the unchanged here, and integration of x here, x square by 2, and now this is 1 by x, integration of x here, x square by 2. So this is dx here, okay. Now x square by 2 log of x, and this is here half, and x dx. So you can write x square by 2 and log x minus half. This is x square by 2, so here x square by 4, okay. This is x square by 4 here plus c. So this is the procedure, and learning the word liate and follow the system. Then we get easily answer by the method of integration by parts, okay, and follow the rules of u into v. And now again, for example, some I want to give you all of you some example, and when you take logarithm a inverse, okay, this is the method. Okay, see, again I give a function that is tan inverse x into x. See again the word liate, L-I-A-T-E, okay. This is the inverse. This is I or A for algebra. In between them, which letter come first? That is here. This is I and A. This is I come first. That's why we take tan inverse x as a u, as a first function, as a u, as a first function. So right here u. This is u here. Okay. this is u and this is v. So okay, and differentiation of tan inverse x and integration of x dx, and bracket close is dx here, okay, and tan inverse x here, and the integration of x here is x square by 2 minus integration derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square here, okay, and now here x square by 2 and bracket close, that is dx. So x square by 2 tan inverse x minus x square by 1 plus x square and dx here. So x square by 2 and this is tan inverse x by 2, x square plus 1 and balance with minus 1. So okay, and dx here. So you can write here x square by 2 and tan inverse x minus, and it is, this is divided by this, so 1 by 1 plus x square and dx here, and minus minus plus, so here there is a half, sorry, there is a mistake here, half here is okay, and multiplied by half, this is plus half here, okay, and this is dx by x square plus 1, sorry, there is a mistake, this divided by this as y, as 1, okay, this is only dx here. So now see here x square by 2 and this is tan inverse x minus half x plus half tan inverse x plus c. We take a common tan inverse x and arrange the result, and this is your okay answer. Now again I example like here this is here log of x plus root over x square plus a square. So see, so the students, you are confused. First of all, there is a single function. Just to see here, this is log of that. Okay, so you can put as a 1 here. So this is the double function, and again 1 is represented as algebra, and this is log or algebra. Okay, log and algebra. This is log and algebra. L-I-A-T-E. L-I-A. Sorry, I am missing here. L-I-A-T-E. So see, L array. This is L array. So which letter come first? That is L come first. So that's why we take a logarithm function as a first function, and then we apply the u into v. So this is as the u and this is as the v. So log to the v here, okay, x plus 2 over x square plus a square, and now here is dx minus differentiate this function, and that is ddx of logarithm x plus gn logarithm function, that is okay, and dx, and close here is dx, means 1 dx. And now see here integration of dx, so we got x here, so log to the base e, and we get this is the simple formulation, okay, and differentiate this, okay, differentiate this logarithm function derivative is 1 by x plus root over of x square plus a square, okay, and again differentiate ddx of x plus root over x square plus a square here, okay, just derivative, dx means x here, okay, so x into logarithm of x plus root over x square plus a square, so 1 by, so if you differentiate in the outside of the integral and give a put here, so it is very too easy representation, so but they are the most ever I have written here, so this is not a, so derivative of x here 1, and now here and the differentiate of that, this is root over of x square plus a square, and this is derivative of x square plus a square, here is twice x, so again x and dx here, so x into log to the base e, so x plus root over x square plus a square, and minus 1 by x square plus root over x square plus a square. We take a LCM here, we got root over x square plus a square. So, and that is root over x square plus a square and plus x here, okay, and again x into dx here. So these are cancelled. So now x into log of to the base e x plus root over x square plus a square, okay, and see here x dx by x square plus a square, and this is root over, okay, and this is the differentiation of that. So we can take this is take as a 2 and this is half here. We can take here like that. So x into log to the base e x plus root over x square plus a square, this is a square and this is half here, and easily you can write x square plus a square and to the power minus half. So plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c here, okay. So get the answer x into log to the base e x plus root over x square plus a square, and this is half and half are cancelled, and this also minus and root over x square plus a square plus c, okay. This is the answer, okay. This is the answer. This is an example of that, okay. Now another question of u into v integration by first. So by first see the solution here, which is most interesting for the problem. See here, that is integral e to the power m tan inverse x, sorry, this is m tan inverse x, and this is 1 plus x square, this is 1 plus x square whole to the by 3 by 2, whole to the by 3 by 2 here, and dx. So we take tan inverse x as a theta, so x equal to tan theta. So differentiate this, dx equal to sec square theta and d theta here, okay. Now as I represent I, integration d to the power m theta, and differentiation of dx is here sec square theta and d theta, and divided by 1 plus x, x means tan theta, so we can write here 1 plus tan square theta whole to the power 3 by 2, okay. Now see integral e to the power m theta, this is sec square theta and d theta, and divided by, this is sec square, this is sec square, and sec square to the power 3 by 2, that is sec q, this is sec q theta, okay. Now I can rewrite here m theta and cancel the sec square, and denominator part is sec theta, so you can write here sec theta means cos theta and d theta. So but this problem we can use Lier rules, and not only we use let e to the power for exponential and cos theta. This is exponential means this, and cos theta trigo, this is trigo here. So t and e in between them we can take both of them as a first later, and not problem here, okay. Now see how can do the simplification. So u is here as a I, so I is equal to e to the power m theta and cos theta, and you use the rules here trigo, first of all trigo, so you can use here cos theta as the first function, e to the power m theta and d theta, okay, and differentiation of that is here minus sin theta, okay, and integration of that function e to the power m theta by m into d theta. So again write here this is cos theta e to the power m theta by m, this is by m here, okay, by m, this is minus minus plus, this is 1 by m here, and e to the power m theta and sin theta and d theta. See, there was sin theta, but sorry, cos theta, but we get sin theta. So again we use the u into v, okay, integration by first, and then we get the cos function, and we can substitute this type of function came out in the next step. So we substitute here as a I. So again I use the formula integration by first, that is by cos m theta by m here. So 1 by m. So I can use as first of all you have u as a cos theta. So we can take theta as the first theta. Okay, first function. So use again sin theta as the first function. It will be m theta and d theta. Again differentiation, this is cos theta, we get cos theta, and the integration of that here is it will be m theta by m and d theta. Okay, and see, so I is equal to cos theta e to the power m theta by m, and that is multiplied by 1 by m here. So that is sin theta e to the power m theta by m here, minus that is multiplied by this is multiplied, okay, this is 1 by m square, and this is as a I. Okay, see, cos theta e to the power m theta d theta. Okay, see there, I is equal to e to the power m theta cos theta d theta. Okay, this is I. So we take a common I here. This is 1 plus 1 by m square, and that is equal to, also take a common, that is e to the power m theta. Okay, and also here we see the product here is m square, so we take a LCM here, m square, and now that is here m into cos theta plus sin theta, okay, plus c, and this is I is equal to e to the power m theta by 1 plus m square, that is m cos theta plus sin theta plus c. So see, this is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to x. So this is theta x, and this is equal to 1 plus x square. So you can easily, cos theta is equal to, you can write 1 by root over 1 plus x square, and sin theta is equal to x by root over of 1 plus x square. Okay, so put here, okay, e to the power m theta, that is tan inverse x by 1 plus x m square. This is m square, okay, this is m square, and now m into cos theta, this is cos theta here, that is 1 by that root over 1 plus x square, and that is sin theta, this is x by root over 1 plus x square here, okay, plus c. This is the answer, and take the LCM 1 plus x square. Okay, this is the method. Okay, very important question of discussion here. And now I want to discuss as a one function, that is a cos inverse root x. In point of view, this is my important discussion. Just see here, I is equal to cos inverse root x and dx. Here is a root x, and that's why we always and this is a trigo. First of all, we simplify, like x is equal to, assume that cos square theta, and differentiate this dx, and that is minus 2 cos theta and sin theta and d theta here. I think the differentiation is you already understood. And this is, if we put here, this is cos inverse cos square root over cos square, this is theta here, okay. Now d theta differential is there, 2 cos theta, okay, and this is sin theta and d theta here. So now minus take, minus theta and sin 2 theta here, and d theta. Okay, now see, you use as a x and sin x. This is the u into the algebra and trigo. This is the algebra and trigo. So in between them, algebra and trigo, algebra with the first. So we take as the u theta, okay, sin 2 theta and d theta, and minus. This is a minus plus here, okay. Difference of theta here is 1, okay, and integration of sin theta is cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by 2 here into d theta. Okay, and now see minus theta sine 2 theta, integration of that cos minus plus theta and cos 2 theta by 2 here. Okay, and this is minus, and integration of cos 2 theta, that is sine 2 theta by 2 plus c, and that is equal to half theta cos 2 theta minus 1 by 4 sine 2 theta plus c. That is half. Theta means this is cos theta here. So theta means cos inverse root over x. Okay, and this is cos 2 theta. We can write here as a 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we can put easily here x. Okay, and this is 1 by 4, and this is here 2 sine theta cos theta plus c. Now this is half 2 into x minus 1 and cos into root over x, and this is 1 by 2 sine theta. Cos theta means root x, sine theta means root over 1 minus cos square, that is x plus c. Okay, this is another form of integral cos inverse root x. Okay, and now I want to discuss another problem. See, you use the formula here, learn here cos inverse root x dx. So this formula I will use some formation. Okay, see, this is the answer, cos inverse root x and dx. Okay, here is a problem, that is sine inverse root x minus cos inverse root x by cos inverse root x plus sine inverse root x here. Okay, dx. You know, like here cos inverse x, sine inverse x as a pi by 2. See, this is where pi by 2. We can put here sine inverse root x minus cos inverse root x, and this is pi by 2 here, and dx. This is 2 by pi. Again, this is the cos inverse x. Use this formula reformation. So that's why I want to repeat here sine inverse x as a pi by 2. This is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, and this is root x and cos inverse root x here. Okay, dx. So this is 2 by pi, and this is a pi by 2 dx 2 by pi, and use here 2 cos inverse x, that is 4 cos inverse root x and dx, and this is dx means dx, this is 4 by pi. We can use the formation of that cos inverse root x. This is cos inverse root x here. Okay, so bye. This is a very important class today. Okay, and carefully see the video and solve the good problem. Now, bye.